Let me checking if my machine is hot, then start jointing my pipe and the pipe fittings. So this is side should enter on this fittings and the pipe should be fixed in this another side, and this hitting this edge of the pipe and this hitting inside of the pipe. After that, when I press each and the other, they generate a fusion inside. That fusion make them to be connected together. So now I can try using my so now the edge are heated, trying heating my pipes. So I have to wait around 10 seconds, then remove. Remove it, then connecting them. When I'm pressing like this, because this it is hot and the inside of fittings is hot, when I press each other, they're creating fusion inside, and then they create the joint. Now it is strong. This is how you can joining all those fittings. But this is tomorrow, so you have to search the former which is corresponding on these fittings. So this is the way you join the plastic pipe. But even if you don't using this fusion welding machine, you can put the threads as I did before. Even for this Ganga plastic pipe, you can put the thread, you join the fittings by cutting the threads. So the next step, which is remaining, it is the way we connect the copper pipe. So for the copper pipe, as I say, we are using this. The assembly of this, it is calling flaring tools. We have this wing nut, so we have former also. We have also yoke. This is yoke. This is cone. This is the cone. It is that one used for expanding the diameter of the pipe, the copper pipe. So the copper pipe we are going to use, it is this one, which has the diameter of a half inch. So I'm going to cut this is the copper pipe. For this copper pipe, you cannot making the thread because of the thickness of it. It has the small thickness. The way you connect this, there is use compression joint. Among a compression joint, there is what you call non-manipulating joint and manipulating joint. So now I'm going to perform manipulate joint by using the nut, whereby I have to connect so you have to connect this copper and this galvanized mild steel, which means that it is the similar metal. This is copper, this is mild steel. That is why it is the similar metal. You see, this nut, it is going free. You see, it is going free. So I'm going to expand this diameter in order that this nut will be closer on the pipe. So let me take the measurement. Let me take 10 or 20. And I use this cutter. This is a cutter, especially for this copper pipe. So I rotate, I press the, so you see, it is cut. Now, as I say, you see, this nut is going freely. You see, it is going freely. So now I'm going to expand this diameter of this copper in order that our nut will be closer on that. So before I have to remove also the bars inside. I have to remove the bars inside. Then I have my flaring tool. So I have to fix it somewhere. As you see, so I have to arrange it. As you see, this body, it has a different size of the pipe. You see a half as well as the diameter. Those are the diameter of the pipe. This pipe I have, it is for 1.5. So I have to open those wings nut. And then I put the pipe on there, corresponding diameter. Put on the corresponding diameter. This is half, and I put on half diameter. So I tighten my wing nut. As well as here. Those are the wing nuts, so which tightening our pipe. So I tighten. See, I'm tightening my nut. I fixed the pipe there. So this is the body. As I said, this is the former. You see? This is the yoke. This is the cone. And this is the screw. This is the handle. So I can expand the diameter even on hand. even if are not fixed on a pipe vise. I can expand it on hand. Okay, now let's see. I can remove it. Can remove it, you see? The diameter is expanded. So now we can look whether you see, now the nut is attached there. So in order that you make this nut to be strong, you have to put Teflon. You have to put Teflon. So, and then you put our nut. So then, as I say, you have to connect this with another method, similar method. I can connect this copper with the galvanized pipe. You see, are not similar, are the similar method. As you see, this has internal thread, so the other side, the pipe should have external threads. So I have to put Teflon. Also then I connect this by so here I can connect by using adjustable spanner. Okay, so now you see we are connecting copper pipe to the galvanized steel pipe by using a compression joint. Thank you, class. I'm covering my topics concerning pipe joining. So we have seen steel pipe joining, plastic pipe joining, and the similar metal copper to galvanized pipe. How we can join the similar metal by using compression joint. So that is enough for this session. So we shall meet on the next session. Thank you.